video, we're going to be eating noodles. What kind of noodles? What do you call it? A udon. Okay.
Beef udon.
Beef udon. Okay. Anong an udon? This is udon. Okay, let's dig in now. This beef udon must be yummy. The soup is not too yummy, but I put it in my spoon. Oopsies. Sorry. There it is. Oh, the beef was squirting now. The egg is so juicy. The juice, the egg is so juicy, guys. Look at that.
Pwede? Thank you.
And we're done. Guys, I finished the bowl. I cannot show it to you guys because it's heavy. So, yeah, I'm done. Bye-bye, guys. Like and subscribe for more.